We're at the Pioneer booth. I'm here with Edmund.
Strut wheels, 22-inch, that are 13-inch wide. And the lip that you see there, if you actually, on the front, it's about a 3-inch lip, but on the back, it's about a 6-inch lip. But what we did custom here, our sponsor Strut Grills also made the special S emblems in platinum, which is right now it's about $950 per ounce. And also what you're looking at is the 15.5-inch bare brakes, which is if you want to stop the car, you could basically stop the car going really fast, stop the car on a dime. The beautiful custom grill that is made out of the same stainless steel as a Rolex watch. So it's a special grill for us, and we thank Strut for doing that. But going into the motor, a beautiful aspect of the motor, it is a LS7 Corvette motor. With a special block, which is the LSX, using some great aftermarket parts like the Wilson manifold, custom headers, and also we can go over to the turbos, which is by Turbonetics T66 twin turbos, running about 30 psi on each turbo, giving us the capacity of 1,450 horsepower to the wheel. So overall, with the engine design and the grille, we also wide-bodied the vehicle. So this car is actually almost a foot wider than the original Cadillac CTS. If you see here, this headlight is actually originally up here and ended on this body line. But what we did is we took the light and lowered it. So now the car is 4.5-inch wider on each side. The beautiful chocolate brown interior that you see with tan inserts is actually made out of 17-year-old aged ostrich skin, which is about 10 times the amount of regular cowhide when you're talking about material or leathers. We also have a couple of Pioneer Electronics monitors, as well as 2 8-inch subs right in the cabin, right in the middle. Also putting an embedded game controller, so if you want to play a game, it's right there ready for use. On the front of the car, we're using a AVIC Z3 or Z3. I'm Canadian, so they said. Are you?
Yeah.
We have the AVIC Z3 in the front seat, so you can play DVDs and just like any other high-end head unit. It's right there available for you. And right in the center console, right over near the stick shift, we also have our air ride suspension, so the car can go up and down. And you can drive it on the streets, and you can go over speed bumps with no problem. And right in the center console, we're also displaying our beautiful awards that we received this year, which is the Mother's Excellence Award for Design. One of 10 is given away per year, so we're really glad to get that, because it's 1 out of 10,000 cars, as well, or one out of 5,000 cars, as well as the SEMA Design Award from GM, which is another amazing award. And going into the trunk now, we have our NOS energy. We have our NOS nitrous oxide system tank. We're also sponsored by NOS energy drinks, so they both go hand in hand. As well as we have 2 12-inch Premier amps from Pioneer with the Premier amplifier line. So overall, that's what we have here is the Cadillac CTS.